Hi, it's Angeline here. Today I have a really beautiful stamp kit from Unity Stamp to show you and how you can add some gold details to your card. So first, I've already stamped and colored this beautiful butterfly, which is from the Life Should Be kit with some Prismacolor pencils. And I'm grabbing my Krylon 18 karat gold leafing pen, which I've recently purchased, and it's so awesome. I'm just gonna prime the pen here just to make sure the ink is flowing on some scrap paper. And now I'm just drawing some swirls to the butterfly as though it is floating away on the card. Then I am going to add some gold dots above the butterfly just to add more gold details, because who doesn't love gold, right? Just check out how shiny this gold pen is. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and thanks for watching. Bye!